Okay, so I have the front off there. Actually, the pump's running. Oh, damn it. That's what they call the steering pump. That's obviously controlled by the cams on the table. That controls this horizontal pump here, which again shifts that over when you move it. And when we hold the camera in the, there we go. When we adjust the adjust the stroke, it changes the height of that pin, which changes the amount that adjust the stroke, adjust the speed, changes the amount that that pin there rotates, or the shaft there in the middle rotates. Anyway, I believe there are a pair of valves in the top there which adjust the output from this pump up through this line here. The vibration that we're getting though is right there. Hopefully you can hear that with a torch on. And what's interesting is if we start it, hopefully the camera picks up the sound. Now apparently, according to the schematic, there should be a valve between this point here, which is where that's the dump valve for the return speed, the return pause, softness of return is there to adjust it right out. There should be a valve between that T and that steering pump and that ain't one. And I'm wondering if it needs to be adjusted to reduce the pressure or open it up a bit. Anyway, my phone's ringing again. Seems to be a habit. Anyway, that's the front of the pump and that's it doing its thing.